Welcome to Module 5 of the Mandatory Safety and Health Seminar, focusing on workplace emergency preparedness. This is crucial for maintaining a safe environment. In this module, we will discuss the roles of OSH personnel, response during emergencies, and the conduct of emergency drills. A safety practitioner's role includes emergency response, managing safety programs, and conducting training to ensure readiness. The main objective is for participants to know how to effectively respond in workplace emergencies and actively participate in emergency drills. It's important to distinguish between an emergency and a disaster in the context of workplace preparedness. An emergency is any unplanned event that can cause death or significant injuries to employees, customers, or the public. A disaster is a sudden, calamitous event bringing widespread damage, suffering, loss, or destruction, often without forewarning. Emergencies can be categorized into two main types, those caused by nature and those caused by human activity. Natural emergencies include earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, typhoons, floods, and tsunamis. Man-made emergencies encompass fire, loss of sensitive materials, hazardous environmental accidents, bomb threats, civil unrest, kidnapping, terrorism, and sabotage. Designing an effective emergency response plan involves several key steps to ensure comprehensive readiness. Critical elements of the ERP include establishing clear internal and external communication protocols and defining the roles within the emergency response team, such as the chief warden and floor wardens. Maintain a readily accessible list of emergency contact numbers for the fire department, police, medical services, and local agencies like Pagasa and the Red Cross. Education and training are vital components, encompassing the conduct of drills and specialized first aid certifications. Fire exit drills must be conducted at least twice a year to ensure everyone is familiar with the evacuation process, focusing solely on personnel evacuation, not salvage operations. First aiders must be certified by the Philippine Red Cross or authorized organizations, requiring a minimum of 8 hours of refresher training at least once a year. Identifying a safe evacuation site and understanding the procedures are critical steps in emergency response. Evacuation sites typically include an assembly area for accountability, a treatment area for immediate medical care, and a command center for coordination. During evacuation, leave immediately, use emergency exits, walk calmly, and never use elevators. Always assist visitors and report to your supervisor at the assembly point. Different emergencies require specific response actions. Let's review the procedures for fire and earthquake. If you discover a fire, immediately raise the alarm. If it's small, you may use a fire extinguisher, PASS method. If it cannot be extinguished, evacuate immediately and account for all members. For an earthquake, remember to duck, cover, and hold. Once the shaking stops, proceed with evacuation and be prepared for aftershocks.